Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. On behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to each of you. We are truly grateful for your presence at this special fundraising gala. You being here reflects your dedication to our mission and the lives we aim to transform. Tonight, we have an incredible opportunity to make a lasting impact as we share inspiring stories and celebrate our achievements. Let us remember that our primary goal is to raise the funds needed to build the Jamaica Emergency Medical Service McGrill Command Center. Access to reliable ambulance and EMS service is absolutely essential, particularly in the emergencies where every second can mean the difference between life and death. Too many lives are lost simply because people aren't able to receive timely medical care. With your support, we can change this. A fully equipped command center, complete with an ambulance bay, storage, and necessary facilities, will enhance coordination, reduce response time, and ensure that the medical teams are always prepared to save lives. This infrastructure is vital, strengthening our emergency medical service and preventing avoidable tragedies in the community we serve. Tonight, I urge you to reflect on the power of community and generosity. Together, we can create real change. Every contribution, no matter the size, help us closer to our goal and make a meaningful difference in the lives of those in need. Let us unite, make this evening unforgettable and impactful. Thank you for being here and for your unwavering support.